Hello guys, today we are going to learn the integration in trigonometric function. So I've prepared at least 5 problems for you to be able to learn deeper and understand this topic. By the way guys, napaka-importante ng trigonometric identities dito, kaya kabisaduhin nyo yon. So let's start solving number 1, the integral of cosine 4x dx. Copy lang muna natin guys, by the way, u substitution lang naman to. Okay, so let u is equals to 4x, and the derivatives of u is du, and du is equal to 4dx, and dx is equal to du over 4. So this will become the integral of cosine u times du over 4. Okay, so constant rule lang to guys, factor out the constant 1/4 times the integral of cosine u times du. The integral cosine is sine, so this will become 1/4 times sine u plus the constant c, and this is the final answer, 1/4 of sine 4x plus c. Okay, so let's start solving number 2. The integral of cosine 3x plus sine 3x dx. Madali lang to guys. Sum rule lang to. Okay, so copy lang muna natin. So let's start solving diretso na lang natin. The integral of cosine 3x dx plus the integral of sine 3x dx. Next is unahin muna natin solve tong cosine 3x dx. So let u will be equal to 3x. It will become 3 dx. Since there is no 3 before dx, then let's divide both sides with 3. So this will become dx is equal to du over 3. Next, this will become the integral of cosine u times du over 3. Constant rule factor out, the constant 1/3, so it will become 1/3 times the integral of cosine u times du. Next, integrate the cosine so it will become 1/3 times sine u. Then, ibalik lang natin yung value ng u kanina. So this will become 1/3 of sin 3x. Then set aside lang muna natin siya and let's start solving the integral of sin 3x dx. Same process lang guys. Let u equal to 3x du equal to 3 dx. Divide both sides by 3. So dx is equal to du over 3. So this will become the integral of sine u times du over 3. Diretso na lang natin. The integral sign is cosine. The answer of it is negative 1/3 of cosine 3x. Pagsamahin lang natin, the final answer is 1/3 of sine 3x minus 1/3 of cosine 3x plus c. And that's the final answer. Okay, next number 3. Mas madali to guys. Sum rule and logarithmic lang to. Copy lang muna natin. The integral of x squared minus 4 all over x times dx. Sum rule. This will become the integral of x squared over x times dx minus the integral of 4 over x times dx. Okay, so cancel the denominator x and x at the numerator. So it will become only the integral of x dx minus the integral of 4 over x dx. The integral of x dx is just simply 1/2 of x squared or just simply x squared over 2. Then logarithmic rule lang sa 4 over x times dx guys. So this will become 4 ln of x plus c. Then the final answer is just simply x squared over 2 minus 4 ln of x plus c. And that's the final answer. Okay, next. Let's try to solve number 4. The integral of sine x over cosine x times dx. Copy lang muna natin guys. By the way, u substitution lang to, and this problem is just simply equal to tangent. So let u is equal to cosine x du is equal to negative sine x dx. So since negative siya, and there is no negative before dx, so let's divide both sides with negative sine x. Manual lang tayo guys. This will become the integral of sine x over u times dx, which is du over negative sine x. Okay, so ilagay lang natin yung integral sign. Nakalimutan ko This will become du over u. Logarithmic rules lang ulit to guys. Wait. Lagay lang muna natin yung negative sign since negative du yan. And this will equal to the national log of u plus c. Okay, ibalik lang muna natin yung value ng u. And the final answer is negative ln of cosine x plus c. Next, so let's try to answer number 5. Madali lang to guys. Puro identities lang siya, so copy lang muna natin. The integral of tangent x over 1 plus tangent x times dx. Puro identities lang to guys. Try to pause the video and solve it first yourself. So let's start solving. This will become the integral of tangent x over secant squared x times dx. Next is mag-separate tayo ng isang secant x, so it will become the integral of tangent x over secant x times 1 over secant x times dx. Apply na agad tayo ng identities dito. 1 over secant x is just cosine x. Just copy the tangent x over secant x. So ulitin ko, magiging cosine x na ito. So this will become cosine x times dx. Next, identities of secant x naman tayo. So this is the integral of tangent x all over 1 over cosine x. Next is identities of tangent naman. So this is the integral if sine x over cosine x over 1 over cosine x times dx. So this will become the integral of sine x over cosine x times the reciprocal of 1 over cosine, which will become cosine over 1 or just cosine times another cosine times dx. So the denominator is cancel at yung isang cosine x. So ang matitira na lang is the integral of sine x times cosine x times dx. So u substitution na lang to, then let u is equals to sine x. So du is cosine x dx. So since may cosine x before dx, magiging du na lang to. So this will become the integral of u times cosine x dx, or just du na lang. Then power rule. This will become u squared over 2 plus the constant c. Then ibalik natin ang value ng ating u, which is sine x. So this will become 1/2 of sine x plus c. So the final answer is 1/2 of sine squared x plus c. So yun lang naman, bye.